It's a police station, blood. You're going to have to come out onto the path.
Why? There's an implied right of access through here, though.
Mate, it's a police station.
Are you smoking?
Yeah, I'm smoking, mate. This is a police station.
I'm aware,
You're not allowed around here. I'm going to escort you out into the road. You can film from out there.
Oh, don't touch me, don't touch me.
I'm going to touch you, mate.
No, get your hand off me. Wait. Let's have a chat first.
No.
Don't touch me again, by the way. No, I'm not going to turn no camera off.
I will touch you now.
No, you certainly won't. You're not going to touch me. Don't touch me.
And you're not allowed within here, mate.
But there's nothing stopping me from coming here. I understand this. No, mate, listen, just wait.
No, you wait.
No, you wait. You just come up to me and touch my hand and just touch me. And you're smoking.
Now, I'm allowed to smoke, mate.
Yeah.
Okay? Just like you are.
You're not going to touch me again, though, are you? You're not going to touch me again, though, are you?
You're going to walk away?
Potentially.
Come on, then we can leave together. Come on.
But why is there...
You're not allowed around here. This is your last warning, okay? I've given you fair warning, all right? This is a police station. You are now a security risk.
Why am I a security risk? Then you should close this gate then. Why is this gate open then?
You need to leave.
There's nothing stopping. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You need to leave now.
Don't touch me. What are you going to do?
I'm going to escort you out.
No, you're not. Don't touch me.
You need to leave here now, mate.
No, I'm not leaving anywhere, mate. Don't touch me. Don't just come and touch me.
You need to leave here now.
Man. That's not how you do it. Speak nicely. We can have a conversation and maybe you'll leave.
I've told you.
Yeah, and
this is a restricted area.
Well, I'm trying to explain something to you.
I've told you.
Under the Criminal Justice Act, this becomes a public place.
Mate, can you send a couple of lads down here? We've got someone filming in the yard refusing to leave. Thank you.
You identify yourself, please.
I already have.
You just flipped the
little
thing. I didn't see it. What's your name?
I've shown you my ID.
What's your name? I need to make a complaint. All right, PC
Davis.
Davis.
Make a complaint. Oh yeah, can you? Yeah, we need to get this lad out of here. He's filming in a restricted area.
Oh, right, okay. You can't film me, mate.
I can film it.
No, you can't.
I have an implied right of access to be here.
You don't have an implied right of access.
I absolutely
to be
do.
Here.
Because this gate is open. What stopped me from walking? Have I jumped? Is there any signs?
Mate,
is there any signs?
And say, can I help you? And you shouldn't be here, okay? You've jumped up straight away and gone,
no, you've jumped up. You put hands on me.
Yes,
you put hands on me. Yeah, and you can escort me without having to put hands on me. This is why I'm going to stay.
How would you like me to escort you without putting
hands
on you? I've told you to leave.
Yeah, well, you didn't ask nicely, and I'm trying to explain why I'm here.
I don't have to ask you nicely.
Yeah, you certainly do.
I've told you to leave.
Yeah, you certainly do.
Okay, and you're refusing.
I'm refusing because I have a right to be here. I have an implied right of access. There's no signage. There's no gates.
Right to be here, mate.
Davis,
okay?
listen, let me speak.
This is private property.
Let me speak.
The front of the house, okay, is a reception area where you can go and you can speak to the receptionist and you can film her all you like, and I've told you to leave and you're not leaving, okay? Now some people will come and escort you, okay, together with me out of here because you're not leaving under your own accord, are you? You're not leaving when I've told you to leave.
Let me explain something. There's no signage. There's no gate. I haven't hopped any fences. No, I'm being serious. There's no signage.
Area.
It doesn't say no public access. Okay. There's nothing like that preventing me. So this becomes a public place.
So likewise then,
there's an implied. Look at this. It's implied right of access.
You think that you do have a right of access to come into a
police station car park? You should better
come into a police station car park, okay?
Why can't I be here? What could I possibly do here?
Because it's a security risk.
Do you think that I'm a risk right now?
Yes, I do, mate. I don't know who you are. You stood here filming, I've asked you to leave.
Am I being hostile?
And you become
You're the one that's being hostile. I should be scared of you. You're a security risk. You are a security risk.
Straight away when I've told you to come out here, I've invited you to come and speak to me on the pavement outside.
You started barking orders and trying to put hands on me.
I said you could come and speak to me on the pavement outside. You're the one who's refused, all right? And now you will be escorted from the premises because you're not leaving when I've invited you to do so. All right? Come on, it's time to leave.
Why is it time to leave? Let me explain.
Are you going to be leaving now? I've told you to leave. We can have a chat on the pavement. Is that what you're going to do?
I'm coming off the premises, my friend. You can film perfectly well on public property. If it's private, off you go right now. I won't ask you again. I'll put hands on you if you don't. And if you resist me, I'll arrest you. Let's go.
Why will you arrest me? Do I not have an implied right of access to be here?
No, you don't.
Look at all these people. Look, under duress. Yeah, now you want to shout now. Now you want to shout. Under duress.
Let's go.
But don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm leaving. No, you don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
No, I won't.
Can you get your hand off me? Can you get your hand off me? You get your hand off me. Get your hand off me, man. Get your hand off. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. How am I causing a disturbance? How am I causing a disturbance? Get your hand off me. Why are you all putting your hands on me? Yeah, what crime is that? Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. I have an implied right of access to be there. Yes, I do, because the gate's open and there's no signage. Can you identify yourself? You just put hands on me without identifying yourself.
So stop talking. Let me explain to you then. Okay? If you want to come down to reception.
No, I don't want to come down to reception. Look.
Don't talk to me.
No, let's talk. Let's speak. Can you identify yourself, please? You just put hands on me without identifying.
I've tried to explain to you, but you're talking and talking and talking.
All right, you explain.
If you want me to speak,
I want you to explain.
If you don't, keep chatting on and get onto public property. Okay? If you want to go into reception, make any complaint you want, or ask for any access you like, you can do that.
Please explain.
There's no implied permission to enter this property.
All right, explain that then.
There's a gate here and it's a closed premises.
Explain that. Then why is the gate open?
Nothing to do with you, is it?
Right.
I'm telling you, this is private property.
Why is there no signage?
That's all I need to tell you. Don't worry about signage. I'm telling you.
What do you mean don't worry about? Of course I need to worry about signage.
You can't be on here, okay? So, that's the end of it. Any other questions?
Why is the gate open then?
Any other questions for me?
No, I've got no other. Would you identify yourself, please? Would you identify yourself, please? Just put hands on me.
Back over there.
So are we going to be this petty over whether I'm stood here or there? You're going to put hands on me again? You're going to put hands on me again over this, are you?
Just do it.
Why? Why do I need to just take orders? Look, I can be here. There's no signage stopping me being here. There's no signage. There does need to be signage. There needs to be a gate.
There's no signage on my house to say that you're not allowed in it, but you know full well that it's private property.
Yes, but your house isn't paid for by taxpayers, is it? My tax pays for this. Of course, absolutely matters. You have an occupational.
Front of the property.
You talk, then I'll talk. Yeah. You have an occupational lease that you're renting this off. Yeah. So, and you're doing a service for the public, so the public have got a right to access this place. I understand you may not want people to go through there, in which case you should secure it. Why are you laughing? I'm just trying to make a point.
To secure it.
Would you mind identifying yourself, please, before I take any advice from you?
Yeah, my name is Sergeant Kirsty Iliff.
Right.
Can you please step back over?
Are we going to be this petty over this?
Yeah.
Is this just for you to exercise jurisdiction?
Right, if I walk away from here now, are you going to remain on public land?
I don't know.
Okay.
Public land.
My colleagues and I are going to leave. If you come back into private property, you will be arrested. All right?
Arrested for what?
You'll be arrested. That's not.
Arrested for what?
I'm telling you.
What offence?
What
offence? What trespass? Is that not a civil matter? Why will I be arrested? You're just throwing around these threats.
Can I ask you what it is?
Doesn't matter what I'm doing. Doesn't matter what I'm doing. I'm here doing a legal activity. There is certainly an implied right of access.
There's not an implied right of
There
access.
absolutely is. Then why don't you close the gate then?
That you're not allowed.
So because you say so, there isn't. So because you say so, there isn't. I don't think so. I don't think that's right.
What is it that you're doing here?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I'm doing. Nothing has upset me. This is not. I don't have a personal vendetta against police. I'm just exercising my right to walk around in a public space and film. I haven't come here because I've got a personal problem with him.
So what are you doing with the film? What's
because I can film. I don't need to have a reason. It's a lawful activity. If I want to film, I will film. And I've answered your question, which is that I don't need to have a reason. I don't appreciate you smirking and doing all these things and putting hands on me. Like there was no need for that.
What?
You guys are very tense, very
if
goony.
you just listen to what we asked you to do, and just.
Yeah, but I don't need to listen to because I'm not committing any offences, am I? Am I committing an offence? Have I used any bad language or anything?
You did.
He was just putting hands on me straight away, and then you lot have come out and you've done this. Why are none of you in uniform as well? Like, what's going on? What's going on here? Like, what's this? Stroud police station?
Who?
Stroud. How do you Stroud? Is it Stroud? I don't know. Would you mind identifying yourself, please?
Do you mind identifying yourself?
I'm certainly not going to identify myself.
Okay.
Have I committed an offence?
Okay, my friend.
Okay, where do the cars come in and out of? Just a question, Ben. Where do the cars come in and out of?
Coming out where? Sorry.
So am I not on private property now? What, like, am I going to be? You going to put hands on me again?
Obviously, you are trying to get a reaction.
I'm definitely not. It's just petty, though, isn't
You're
it?
clearly just doing it to try and get a reaction, okay? Which is fine, okay?
Well, okay.
But as my colleagues have said, you come into there again. Okay, there's obviously police cars whatever around there. We don't. It's not like you're filming that. And,
So what would be the offence if I was to go and film there?
Well, at the end of the day,
Am I obstructing anyone?
well, we've got to find out what you're. We don't know what you're.
Well, you just said I'm looking for a reaction. You figured it out, haven't you? This is your opinion.
I don't know what you're here for.
Well, you just said I'm here to cause a reaction.
You could be a security breach for all we know. Okay, this is the problem. It's the whole point. You're going there. We've got to think about
What would suggest that I'm a security breach?
I don't know. You're not telling me anything about you. Why you're
I'm
here?
not required to.
No, but that's fine. But that's going to make us. If you were honest with us, we might, what you're here for.
Well, I don't need to explain anything, do I?
There you go.
But
Okay.
I'm going to ask again. Where do the cars come in and out of?
Hang around, I'm sure you'll see.
All right, you're dismissed.